How do you delete your Chegg history permanently?
Hello, digital learners. Today, we're tackling an important question that many Chegg users ask. How do you delete your Chegg history permanently? Chegg, as you know, is a popular platform for academic resources, but there may be instances when you want to clear your history for privacy reasons. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow our simple steps, and you'll have your history wiped clean in no time.
Why would you want to delete your Chegg history?
The need to delete Chegg history arises primarily for privacy and security reasons. As Chegg is an educational platform, it stores your search queries, viewed answers, and other interactions to provide a better, more personalized learning experience. However, you may not want this data to be accessible, especially if you share your computer with others.
Log in to your Chegg account.
The first step is, of course, logging into your account. Go to the Chegg website and log in using your username and password. You can't delete history or make changes to your account if you're not logged in. Remember, your security is crucial, so make sure you're the only one who knows your login details.
Accessing your browsing history.
Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. Now, look for the section that says Browsing History.
Deleting your browsing history.
Now that you have accessed your browsing history, you can select the items you want to delete by clicking the checkboxes beside each item. If you want to delete all your history, there should be an option to Select All. Once you have selected the items, click on the Delete or Clear History button. Note, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Chegg didn't allow users to delete their history directly from their platform. This may have changed since then. If not, and if you're looking to delete your history on a web browser level, you'll need to clear your browsing history in the browser you use to access Chegg. And there you have it. That's how you can clear your Chegg history. Always remember that protecting your online privacy is essential. If you can't delete your history directly on Chegg, remember to routinely clear your browsing history in your preferred browser. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay secure and happy studying.